What's up, guys? So today I'll be teaching you how to do trading using eToro platform. By the ways, this video is made actually for my colleagues who's asking me to teach them how to trade on eToro. Well, for my other subscribers, I'm sorry, apologies for speaking English, but yeah, if you are also interested, you can watch this video. This is how to trade using etoro.com. Okay, so let's start. Before we move on teaching you how to join, let me tell you about the basic requirements basic requirements that we need to have. At least, guys, you must have an idea what is trading. Okay, so in trading there is fundamentals and technical analysis, but mainly if you are trading in eToro, you need more on technical analysis. And for you to know how to get in and how to get out in the market, you must learn some of the basic technical analysis tools. Okay, so if you're ready, please take down note all of these basic tools that you need to learn: MACD, MACD, RSI, moving averages or MA200 and MA50, support and resistance. So all of this, please check on YouTube. They have basic tutorial about this kind of things, how to use these tools. This will give you a hint if it is the right time to enter and if it's the right time to stop or to exit the market. All right, so let's go. Let's start. This is the platform of the etoro.com. If you will check on my description, I will post the link so that when you click that link, you can be redirected directly on this platform. Okay, so here we have trading, top markets, investing, education. I would suggest you study and have a look the first page of this platform so that you will know what eToro is all about. Well, eToro, okay guys, let me tell you before if you are going to trade, you need to call a stockbroker, and then the stockbroker is the one who will buy or sell stocks for you. But nowadays we have now the technology, right? So we don't no longer need those brokers in person. What we need now is an online broker, which is eToro. So there are a lot of online brokers in the market, and eToro is one of them. Now, why I choose eToro? I find it very simple, and it's easier to register because they only require simple documents. Okay, now talking about documents, since we are working in the same company, please prepare these two documents: passport and your bills of payment. Now, we are not paying bills here because we're staying inside our workplace. So what you need to do is to get a screenshot of your bank statement. On your bank statement, it will mention your address, our current address. So that's what eToro wants, the current address. Okay, so just erase the account number details on that statement, and then that's it. That's the documents that you will provide to them. And prepare the $200 for the payment for the initial investment upon opening the account. So it's only $200. Okay, so if you have this, you already know about basic tools. Now let's start. Just get familiarized with this one. If you click this trading, you will have all these parameters. What I would suggest for you is to study CFD trading. What is CFD? eToro is using CFD trading. I cannot explain to you this CFD because it's kind of more technical and I might be wrong if I'll explain it to you. eToro has a proper explanation, and either you can check on YouTube. They have some simple ways of explaining what is CFD trading. And another one is the fees. Check this because at least you will know what are the fees that eToros are charging to us. And the market hours, you need to know what time the market opens and what it closes and what days it's being operational. Okay, so another one is click this education and watch this video tutorials. Okay, aside from watching my video, you need to check this one also so that you will be equipped with the proper knowledge before you enter and invest. For example, you're now ready, you're excited, you want to join, just click join now and just fill in all of this form. Click I accept and then create account. Then that's it, you're already registered. Now let's go now to your main portfolio. After you registered, you will be in this type of portfolio, your platform. Okay, so here it says deposit fund, but okay, relax guys, you don't need to deposit fund immediately. No rush. What you need to do is to get familiarized with the platform, know and practice how to trade and invest. Okay, so on the left side here you will find all of these parameters: watch list, portfolio, news feed, trade markets, blah blah blah. So one by one you just open this and read what are the details about this, all of these things. Okay, if we go on top, this virtual, the green one, you can click the arrow. It will give you an option of real portfolio and the virtual portfolio. Real portfolio, this is your own money. Okay, virtual, this is the virtual one, which wherein the good thing about eToro, they are giving you a chance to practice. So by default, you will have 100,000 US dollar on your virtual account. So using that 100,000 US dollar, you can practice trading. Once you are already confident, you think that you are now ready to go for trading, then you can start trading. Okay, but first let me discuss to you about copy trading. eToro, they are very famous on this copy trading. Why? Because like for us, for example, we are not expert traders, right? What we can do is just copy someone who is an expert, put money in their account, copy trade them. If this person make profits, you also make profits. Okay, so for me as a beginner, I would suggest you do copy trading. And then if you're already equipped with the proper knowledge and skills, then that's the time you can start practicing and doing trading. Okay, so let's go and check what's in copy trading. By the way guys, what you need to do is you check yourself. You need to know your risk appetite. So like these people, they have this number, what are their risk? The risk appetite is being measured from 1 to 7. 7 is the highest, that's the aggressive investors. 5 is the moderate one, and below 5, that's the conservative one. Okay, so check yourself. If you're kind of a gambler, you might be on the category of high risk, which is 6, 7. You might be in the category of lower than 1, 2, 3, 4. You are conservative. Check guys before you start, otherwise you will get depressed. Other people, they commit suicide here because they lost money because they did not check the risk appetite. So please check your risk appetite. So moving on, how you will choose a good trader whom you want to copy. You just check their risk. If you are high risk, you're moderate, or you're low risk, you're kind of conservative, you just choose 4. Okay, so here, these are the editor's choice. Normally I check here because they are the most popular traders to be copied. How will you know to choose the right trader? Check all these copiers. The more copiers this person has, the more they are reliable, because meaning there are a lot of people copying them, meaning they are really good, guys. And if you want to know how are they taking profit, what are their profits, you check this one. Say this guy, wow, he has 85.08% return. Wow. Even this guy, 31.5. So say for example, I chose this guy because he's kind of risk 5 and he has a profit of 85.08 up. And he has a lot of copiers. So I'll check Christian. You will be redirected to his portfolio. The first thing that you need to check is his portfolio and check what are his assets. Okay, so he has cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, he has some stocks, he has commodity, which is gold. Yeah, pretty much of more on stocks. Now, PL, profit, and L is loss. So you will know if this person is having a good portfolio. I think he has a good profit at his portfolio, all green. Except for gold, he is negative, snowflake. Yeah, so I think overall he's good. So since, say for example, you already decided, oh okay, I like this guy, I want to invest on him, I want to copy trade him, just click copy and then that's it. So say for example, you have only 200 US dollar, right? Because that's your initial investment. But okay, wait. So this dude over here is requiring you to invest at least minimum of 500 US dollar. But you know, he's quite okay because some other traders, they are requiring 1000 US dollar, but for him he's only requiring 500 US dollar. So it's kind of fine. So you already decided to put your 500 US dollar for him, and this 85.08, he got it and a minimum of 12 months return. Meaning, you cannot just simply measure your profit in just days or weeks or months, because you know guys, in stock market, especially US or international stock market, they are very volatile. The prices are actually always fluctuating, so you cannot measure like, okay, let me check it, I want to see if I already got the profit after 7 days. No, you cannot do that. That's why these traders, they will always put in 12 months return and they will always advise to you that you need to put your money at least minimum of 1 year so that you can maximize your profit. So remember, these people, they are experts, they know what they are doing. And for you, I would suggest as a beginner, you just put the minimum. You don't go all in. So say for example, you decided you like him, he's good, his portfolio are all green, then I would like to copy him. Just click copy. So here we go. He will appear on your portfolio. So you invested 500, you're now gaining 0.69 cents, right? Example, you want to take profit. You already finished 1 year. You need already the money, okay? So yeah, you already profited 0.79 cents, right? So how will you close your account with Christian. Just very easy. You just go here, you click this arrow. You will have an option. Either you want to add funds, or you want to remove funds, or you want to pause copy, stop copying, or write a note. You want to communicate with him, hey, what's going on with my money, why it's negative, something like that. And then you can view his chart, what's going on, either it's still going up or going down. So say for example, you already profit too much. Maybe this 500 becomes 1,000, right? So you want to take the profit. What you need to do is just remove either funds or you stop copying. So stop copying, another, click stop copying, and then pending close, then that's it. After that, your money will appear here on profit. Alright, so say for example, you want to trade the market. You already learned trading the market. You're very confident now. Hey, I'm so excited, I want to trade Bitcoin now. So you just click Bitcoin. It will bring you to this window. Feed, like most of the traders, they post here. It's like Facebook, it's like social media, guys. So you can also post something here. People or traders, they always post here what's going on their portfolio. They gain, what's the gossip about the stocks, what's the latest news, something like that. So that's feed. Stats, chart, research. Now we will not look at this one by one, but the most important thing that you need to see here is the chart. Remember in the beginning of this video, I told you about the tools that you need: moving averages, MACD, RSI, support, resistance. You need to apply it here so that you will know when to enter and when to exit. Remember guys, you cannot just simply click trade. You need to study this chart. You need to learn when is the right time to buy and when is the right time to stop or exit the market, right? So please study those basic tools. In YouTube, they have a lot of videos about those tools now. So say for example, you decided that, hey, this is okay, the candlestick is green, I want to enter, this is the hint for me to enter the market in Bitcoin. So I'll just click trade, and then it will bring you in this window, right? Sell, buy. What is sell, buy? Do I BTC? Say the value of BTC is at 5 USD. How you buy, how you sell. This is your current value, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's imagine this is the chart of Bitcoin. This is the current price. If I want to buy, I'm speculating that this value will go up. So I will buy. I will take profit here. TP, take profit. This is buying. Okay? Now, if I'm speculating that this value will still go down, then I take profit here. That's selling. It's called shorting. Okay? So that's how you buy, how you sell. Now let's go back to the Bitcoin. I choose buy, right? So when I choose buy, I click the trade. I will click the order, and here we go. So this is the rate that I want to enter, and this is the amount of money that I want to invest. Okay, so say for example, I have very limited money, right? 200 US dollar, and I don't want to put everything here because I want to practice and buy some other stocks. So I'll just put 50 US dollar here because just to test the water. Okay, so 50 US dollar. At this rate, I need to set the order. But double check this value, guys. This value, it will never be steady value. It will always fluctuate. So in my own style, what I do is I study this value for approximately 5 to 10 minutes. Okay? I observe what is the lowest fluctuation here. What is the lowest fluctuation value? And that's the lowest value that I will enter here. By that sense, in that sense, there is a possibility that the chance for my stocks, for my money to lower immediately is very low because I already put the lowest fluctuation. So it depends on your style, guys. Maybe later on you will learn some technique, how to set an order, and it's up to you. But for me, that's my style. You see, observe it. 0.76, 0.94, 0.67. This is the lowest, 0.25. So what I do, I just change it here. That's the lowest value. Okay? So say for example, you already set the rate, you already set the amount, and then you set the order. But double check the overnight fee and the weekend fee. It says here 0, 0, meaning you're good. So you are not being charged for overnight fee and weekend fee. So click the set order and buy BTC order placed at blah blah. Check your portfolio. There you go. So guys, this is what I always said. The prices are fluctuating, so immediately you are currently losing money at 0.38 cents. See? What you need to do, you want to close this Bitcoin and you want to transfer to a moderate stocks wherein there's little fluctuation, right? So how you close the account or how you close the trade? Simply just click anywhere in the middle and then click the X and then close trade. But you already lost 0.37 cents. Close trade. And then that's it. So say for example, you want to trade normal stocks like, let's find here. Silver. Google. Okay, let's buy Google. Sell, buy, you already know this, right? But take a look at this X1 leverage. Okay, no stop loss and there is take profit. Please study this one carefully. Okay, this is the term called leveraging. Most of the people, they over leverage, that's why they lost their money. Okay, but for me, I'm always using X1 because in X1 you are using your own money. You're not borrowing money from ETORO. Okay, you are not using leveraging. So say for example, I have 50 US dollar, right? I'm kind of aggressive investor. So what I'll do, I have limited money. I want to increase my money because the more volume, the more profit, right? So X2 or X1. You want to leverage your 50 US dollar into multiplied by 2, or you want to leverage your 50 US dollar into multiplied by 5. Okay, so let's click X2 first. You see, your 50, it becomes 100. So they allow you to borrow 50 US dollar. If you click X5, you use a leverage of X5, your 50 becomes 250. So you owe 200 US dollar from ETORO. Okay, so that's how you use your leverage. Now let's go back to X1. X1, you don't need to pay anything. It's free. It's commission free. If you click X2, you will be charged an overnight fee and weekend fee, 0.02, 0.05. If you click X5, you will be charged more, 0.04 and 13. So take note all of this overnight fee, guys. This is where you lose money. Okay? Now, we know that there are overnight and weekend charges. Okay? Let's go now and focus here on stop loss and take profit. If you choose X1, there's no stop loss, but there is take profit. So say for example, your 50 US dollar, you want to take profit at 500 US dollar. Immediately, once this value becomes 500, it will automatically close your trade, and then you will take profit of 500. So you can also adjust this one if you want to take profit at 400, 300, but maximum is good. So we're okay with the take profit. No stop loss because you are using X1. Okay? What if you use X2 or X5? Okay, let's maximize because I'm a high risk investor or trader. Choose X5. You see the difference? In X1, there's no stop loss, but in X2 or X5, there is a stop loss. X2, X5, there will be a stop loss. Why do you need to have a stop loss amount here? Stop loss, in short, it's a way of protecting your money. From 50, you can assign a stop loss of say 25 or 50%, or say 15, 5, it depends on you. Remember, when you are buying, right, immediately your money becomes negative because of this fluctuation. So once the system know that your loss is already 5, automatically it will close your trade. And this 5 will be gone. So you will be left with 45 US dollar only. So you lost the 5 US dollar. For example, you set this on 25, which is 50% of 50. So if the system will know that you are already losing 25, automatically this trade will be closed and you lost already 25 USD and you will be left with 25 USD only. At least it didn't eat all of your 50 US dollars. So that's how they protect your money, by using a stop loss. But of course, guys, this one, they will just eat this. So this is the reason why a lot of traders, they lost money because of leveraging. Okay? So as a beginner, what I would suggest is always choose X1. X1, guys, X1. Okay? So say for example, you decided you want to use X1, you just click open trade, the same as in BTC, and then you click your portfolio. You just wait for that stocks to appear. See, it appeared here, and oh wow, you're already earning 0.01 cents. So okay, so guys, thank you, and I hope it's so clear to you. If you have some questions, you can leave on the comment section. I will read it, and maybe if I have time, I will make another video regarding or related to that questions. Enjoy guys watching and happy trading!